You call it a duplex or a semi because they are actually the same thing. So it's a tautology when you say semi-detached duplex. Hello guys, welcome to Architectural All-Star. If you are new in this channel, my name is Esther Okay, and if you have been watching this video before, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about an interesting topic that you would like to be a part of, and it is about different types of buildings that we have. So I've actually noticed that many people, take one building for the other. Like, okay, they call a maisonette a mezzanine, they call a townhouse a terrace house, they call a duplex a semi-detached, and all. So today I'm going to be shedding more light on different types of buildings that we have. And before we go for, let's do this again. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that. Click the subscribe button and also click the notification button so you can be notified when I drop my videos. So let's get started. And the number one I have on my list today that I'm going to be talking about is a bungalow. What is a bungalow? A bungalow is a house on a single floor. No basement, no upper floor, just on a single floor. And if it now shares a wall, a middle wall with another building, it is called a semi-detached bungalow. But a bungalow does not have an upper floor and it does not have a basement. So there are actually some houses that you will see them outside. They look like a bungalow, but they have a basement. That is not a bungalow. A bungalow does not have a basement and it doesn't have a suspended floor. It is just a single structure on a floor. Yeah. The next one I'm going to be talking about is a detached house. What is a detached house? From the name, you will know that it's a building that stands alone on its own. It's on its own. It's not sharing wall with anybody. So when it is now sharing a wall with another unit, it is called a semi-detached. And people call semi-detached duplex. That's the tautology. There's nothing like semi-detached duplex. It's either a semi-detached or it's a duplex. You call it semi-detached or you call it duplex. Yeah, they are similar. So you don't say semi-detached duplex. That's a tautology. The next one is a terraced house. What is a terraced house? A terraced house is a structure that has identical units and is conjoined into rows. Yes, those units are identical and they are joined together, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing is separating them in the middle. So those units are usually conjoined together into a row. So the next one I have is a townhouse. So what is then a townhouse? A townhouse is actually similar to a terraced house, but it is usually on more than 2 floors. Like it starts from like 3 floors, 4 floors, but it has the same style, the same structure with a terraced house, and usually it has a garage underneath it. So your garage can be on the ground floor while you're living the other rooms starts from the first floor. So they are similar in style, they are similar in structure, but it's just that majorly a townhouse is usually on more than 2 floors. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is a flat. What is a flat? A flat is a building constructed on 1 floor, but it has many units. So you can have one building and you have many units in it, like unit A, unit B, unit C. You can say that the ground floor left is unit A, ground floor right is unit B, first floor left unit C, first floor right unit D. And those flats are usually on 1 floor. That is what makes it different from a maisonette. A maisonette, okay, I'm going to explain the maisonette later. So a flat is usually on just 1 floor. So you enter into your apartment and you come out. You cannot go up, you cannot come down. Then the next one I'm going to be talking about is a maisonette. What is a maisonette? A maisonette is a building constructed on one block, and it has more than one suspended floor. So in a maisonette, let's say that the ground floor is my own apartment. So if I enter my apartment on the left wing, I can actually go up in my own building to upper floor. So a maisonette usually have an upper floor within my own closet. So it's usually more than one floor. That's what makes a maisonette different from a flat. So you can see a building that is constructed the same way, but until you get inside, you may not actually know that it's a maisonette. That's what I'm going to be talking about is a studio room. What is a studio room? A studio room is a building consisting of just one bedroom, kitchen, toilet, and other conveniences, like other amenities that can make you feel comfortable. So it is different from a flat. A flat usually has a minimum of one bedroom and a living room, but a studio apartment does not have a living room. It's just one bedroom. Yeah, people call a studio apartment or a studio room a self-contained. That is not professional. It is called a studio apartment. So there's nothing like self-contained. Yeah, it is a studio apartment. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you've learned something. And if you have any question, as usual, please don't forget to drop your question in the comment section below. And I hope to see you in my next video. And please, before you go, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you can be the first to know when I drop my next video. Thank you. Have a great time. Bye.